because it's the weekend, so we're all chillaxed, and today they're not cutting the grass, which is really good news. So I'm going to talk a bit about trading stops and how our robot trails stops. It's quite an interesting thing that it does. So this isn't going to be a hugely long video. Yet again, I've forgot my drawing tools. No. So basically what our robot does in terms of trading stops is this. So you can see that we've got a facility within our software to click through orders to show the different orders that have been taken. Click on that one. Where is it? There it is. Right. Okay. So and it shows the structure of the order. So it shows the take profit, which was here, and the entrance, which is here somewhere. This one stopped out in profit, so it didn't really. It went a little bit. This was the signal there. It went a little bit and just came back and stopped out in profit. Didn't really go anywhere. But luckily for us, that means this isn't covered up, so I can show you what happens. So basically, what happens is when it gets to the 50% fib, it moves the stop to here. When it gets to the 76.8, it moves the stop to here. And when it gets near the TP, when it gets within 20 pips of the take profit, it moves the stop 30 pips from the take profit. When we enter a trade, when we come 23 pips that way, we move the stop inside the entry. So we reduce our risk. We've also got a second trade that is placed that takes profit at 23 pips. So if we get a trade that moves, so basically we found out that 75% of our trades will make at least 23 pips. So we basically work on that principle. So we take small 23 pip trades, plus we have a longer term trade going on as well. It sounds crazy, but statistically it means that we win more money and we cover our losses even in flat markets, because obviously the other thing that we do is, if I just open up this, I've got another indicator that's actually built into this, but you can't see it. It's called Actual ATR. You can get that on the MetaTrader store for $30. So Actual ATR tells us whether a pair is tradable. So for instance, I know that dollar Swiss isn't. So you can see the dollar Swiss is not tradable because it's under the red line. That means these bars are not very big. Although you get the occasional big move in it, its ATR on the 4-hour chart is only like 17 pips. And this is actually expressed in pips, so it's much easier to read than a standard ATR. But it allows you to tell whether or not you should be trading a pair at a glance. There was a point at which you could trade dollar Swiss. Back here. You can see it was really nice to trade, but it's just become a bit weak in terms of trading power. And so we want to make sure that we get at least 23 pips out of each trade profit if we can. So we can't be trading something that's got an ATR of 17 pips, because the odds of us getting our 23 pips trade out of it are too small. That's why there are no hollow candles on this. If you're more interested in Strobot Trader and Strobot Ultimate, it's a trading robot and a trading suite, go and have a look at strobotultimate.com. And it's got full details there and everything, and there's piles of more videos to watch. Watch the introduction videos, it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, cheers, bye bye.